ये कबाब, ये सीख और ये पराठा। खास तो यही है कि आपको पूरे बम्बई में नहीं मिलेगा ये।
I have a feeling that this is not mince. This is just pieces of mutton or pasinda which have been put together on a skewer and then roasted. That is a kebab. If there's anything I'm obsessed with in this world, it's boiled eggs. I love it. All the food is spicy, but it's not so spicy that I start sweating and my nose will start leaking. It's just the right amount of spice, which I just love. Welcome to Khane Mein Kya Hai. Now, you remember the episode we did in Paithoni, Sikandri. I know everybody liked it. We decided that we're going to find more places of the same kind for you. For that, I've come to an area which is somewhere between Bombay Central and Nagpada. It's called Madanpura. And over there, there's a restaurant which has been making waves. It's a small, tiny place. It's called Allah Bailey Hotel. The food, I promise you, is meant to be spectacular. So let's go into Allah Bailey Hotel and वहाँ जाकर पूछते हैं कि खाने में क्या है।
जी सर, कैसे हैं आप?
कैसे हो जी?
आई एम गुड। आप बताइए।
मैंने आपके अल्लाह बेली के बारे में इतना सुना है, इंस्टाग्राम में भी एकदम वायरल हो गया आपका।
जी, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
तो मैंने सोचा आकर खाते हैं आपका
मुझे
खाना।
बड़ी खुशी हुई आप आए और मोस्ट वेलकम आपके लिए।
थैंक यू। कितना पुराना है आपका ये?
भाई हमारे रेस्टोरेंट में 48 ईयर हो गए हैं यहाँ।
कितने?
48 ईयर हो गए।
48
जी, हम समझ लीजिए यहाँ पे तीसरी पीढ़ी चली है।
तीसरी पीढ़ी। नो, मैं जब कॉलेज में था
जी,
तो हम केम्स कॉर्नर पे रहते थे। वहाँ एक अल्लाह बेली करके होटल
हाँ वहाँ पे
था।
था, वो ईरानी होटल था।
ईरानी था।
जी, जी,
वो
ईरानी।
अलग है ना
हाँ,
इससे
वो अलग
पूरा।
है। जी, ये लखनवी कबाब है।
हाँ।
इसको एक्चुअली गलौटी कबाब बोलते हैं, पर इसको टुंडे कबाब के नाम से फेमस है।
वो भी है,
और
करेक्ट।
हमारे क्या वो बिहारी सीख बनती है, बिहारी कबाब है वो।
अच्छा,
वो
तो
जी, वो गोश्त वाली सीख रहती है, बोनलेस गोश्त। वो समझ लिया, इसको हम लोग लखनऊ में पसंदा बोलते हैं।
हाँ।
यहाँ पे इसको बिहारी कबाब बोलते हैं।
यहाँ तो लखनऊ में पसंदा बोलते हैं, यहाँ बिहारी कबाब
इसको
बोलते
बिहारी
हैं।
कबाब, उसका रियल नाम बिहारी कबाब ही है।
बिहारी kebab.
जी हाँ।
Yeah. Allah Bailey Hotel has the feeling of Lucknow. The recipes are Lucknowi, and they've been serving this kind of food for a very, very long time. तो आपका
और
थोड़ा
ये-
लखनऊ से खाना है, थोड़ा बिहार से खाना है। हाँ,
नहीं, प्रॉपर है तो लखनऊ का
हाँ,
पूरा।
हाँ।
बाकी एक डिश खाली बिहार वाली, ये
अच्छा, ओके।
कलकत्ते की, उसको मतलब बिहारी कबाब बोलते हैं वहाँ पे।
मैंने सुना है आपके जो पराठे हैं,
जी, रुमाली पराठा बनता है।
रुमाली पराठे,
और
ये जो बन
जी,
रहा है
और फ्राइडे वाले दिन बेसन की रोटी बोटी कबाब बनता है। वो डे में लेकिन बनता है, कभी आप उसमें आइए। और बाकी हमारे यहाँ पाया बहुत फेमस है, नारी।
चलो।
और अपना हाथ का कीमा रहता है कटे मसाले का।
हाँ।
और अपना दाल गोश्त है, भुना है, मसाला गोश्त है। और सैटरडे संडे चिकन चाप बनता है।
फैंटास्टिक।
जी।
सब कुछ तो हो गया।
कुछ
अभी सब थोड़ा थोड़ा टेस्ट करके खाएंगे।
हाँ, जरूर जरूर सर, आप तो
चलिए।
बैठिए।
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chicken, Frankie's chicken in minutes.
Come together with Drankies.
Can you see the excitement on my face? Because there's so much of lovely, lovely looking food. What I like about this place most is that this is a really local place. Everybody eating over here is a local. They're either working in this area or they've come to trade something or they live here. I, of course, have traveled miles and miles and miles to bring this place for you. So I'm special. Thanks to Shemaru Contentino, we are now available on in-flight entertainment across multiple airlines. Catch us on screen, on board, and in front of you. Exclusively brought to you by Shemaru Contentino, bringing in-flight entertainment to life. Now, let me tell you what excites me most at this table. One, these are the tunde or galauti kebabs, which is based on a similar recipe as you get in Lucknow. These are Bihari kebab or their version of the Sikh kebab, which is a little different. This is the chicken stew. Now, the stew that, as we know it, which is that white color sauce with vegetables, it is not that kind of thing. It's a good Muslim stew. Keema with a little bit of aloo keema in it. Dal gosh. This is paya. Paya, which is famous in this area, trotters. And this, what I love the most, boiled eggs. Boiled egg and little koftas. So this is the kofta thing. And this is their lovely paratha, which is thin, reshmi, and this is a roti. Sometimes I find it very difficult to compare this food with the food in fancy restaurants and hotels. Although I must say that we've got some great food going in Mumbai and in Delhi and in other parts of the country, but the local flavors, places where people in their daily lives come and eat. In fact, places where people eat every day is the kind of joint I'd like to go and eat in. Grandfather comes and the father comes and the son comes and they're all eating the same food because the place has been run by grandfather, father and son. Mohit bhai, क्या आप यहाँ कितने सालों से आ रहे हैं?
46 ईयर
46 years आप यहाँ खाते हो?
यस।
और आप यहीं रहते हो?
नहीं, मैं सांता क्रूज रहता हूँ।
आप हर रोज?
सांता क्रूज हर रोज नहीं तो एक दिन बीच करके, और कभी कभी रोज भी आता हूँ। कल भी आया, परसों भी आया, आज भी आया,
हाँ।
और कभी कभी 2-1 दिन बीच में गैप करता हूँ।
तो आपको यहाँ का खाना इतना अच्छा लगता है?
बहुत
तो
बहुत।
कैसे
एकदम।
आपने कैसे ढूंढ लिया ये जगह?
ये
क्या शुरुआत कैसे
एक्चुअली
हुई?
लखनऊ के हैं
हाँ,
और मैं भी लखनऊ का हूँ।
अच्छा।
तो हमको किसी ने बताया कि यार वो लखनऊ वालों ने वहाँ पे कबाब पराठे का होटल खोला है।
हाँ,
तो मेरी मौसी यहाँ डोंगरी पे रहती हैं,
हाँ।
मैं उनके लिए पार्सल लेके गया।
हाँ,
उनको मैंने बोला अभी टुंडे के यहाँ से मंगवाया हूँ लखनऊ से। तो बोली इतना गरम गरम कैसे? मैंने कहा, फिर बताया उनको
हाँ।
कि मदनपुरे में खोला है उन्हीं ने, यूसुफ भाई ने,
हाँ।
अल्लाह बेली होटल के नाम से।
करेक्ट।
और इनके हर डिश हर रोज बदल के होती है।
हाँ,
कुछ डिशेज इनकी ऐसी हैं जो रोज होती हैं, जैसे कीमा है, दाल गोश है,
हाँ,
भुना है,
हाँ,
पाया है, ये डेली का है।
डेली का है।
लेकिन फिर अलग अलग दिन में अलग अलग,
हाँ,
जैसे आज है कोफ्ता और बैदा।
वही तो मैंने पढ़ा कोफ्ता है करके, लेकिन
हाँ।
वो तो नरगिसी कोफ्ते जैसा है क्या?
नरगिसी कोफ्ता बड़ा होता है थोड़ा,
हाँ।
क्योंकि अंडा उसके अंदर होता है।
हाँ,
ये अंडे के साथ में कोफ्ता है, छोटा होता है थोड़ा।
कोफ्ता छोटा।
जी।
और अपने अल्लाह बेली होटल के बारे में कुछ खास बात कुछ
भाई
बताइए।
खास तो यही है कि आपको पूरे बम्बई में नहीं मिलेगा ये कबाब, ये सीख और ये पराठा।
और ये पराठा।
हाँ, ये तो कहीं नहीं मिलेगा आपको।
So I'm going to start with the kebabs, if you don't mind. This is like literally melt in the mouth. Look at this, light it is. I'm going to put the whole thing in my mouth. Oh, I know Galaudi kebabs are normally fried on the tawa, so they're a little oily. This is too, but you don't need to go to Lucknow. This kebab is as good as Lucknow. Brightly spiced, if I may call it that. Slightly spicy. Crisp on the outside, soft on the inside, and just hints of garam masala. Very nice. Now let's try this. This, I believe, is their version of a Sikh, what they call Bihari kebab. I have a feeling that this is not mince. This is just pieces of mutton or pasinda, which have been put together on a skewer and then roasted. I'm going to take some pyaz with it, or kanda, as we call it in Mumbai, because without that, there's no fun. Oh, you know, a good pasinda kebab has a slight pasty feel to it. It's meaty, it's a chunk meat, but it's marinated so well that the inside has become very, very tender. The last time I ate such good pasinda kebab is in Lucknow in Mubeens. The other place I ate this pasinda years ago was at Aminia in Kolkata. Pasinda kebab. Pasinda, as you know, is a cut of meat, and it's the marination and the tenderness in the meat that makes it what it is. अब मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि पाया ट्राई करें, पाया के साथ रोटी. Let's break some bread. This is the paya soup with a little bit of paya inside. The tauters, nice, gelatinous, sticky, rich, and very good for health and your bones. Oh. You can make a paya with absolutely no masalas, and the paya soup is extremely healthy. We tried it at Pappu Paya in GTB Nagar. The Muslims make paya in a different way. The Parsis make paya in another kind of way. And the Punjabis or the Hindu Punjabis make paya in a different kind of way. And all three payas have, of course, the commonality of the stickiness of the gravy, because it's eventually the hooves and gum is made from that. There's this beautiful layer of oil on top, which I know looks unhealthy, but it is so tasty, man. एक और थोड़ा ले क्या? Let's go for the keema and the dal gosh. I'm going to have this thin paratha right now with this keema, just as a difference, as a change. It's not machine made, it's handmade, and coriander. This is a typical green color keema. You have distinct flavor of green chilies, coriander, dhania, and black pepper, full black peppercorn. I know it's a little oily, but it's damn tasty. A little bit more of keema and aloo in the keema. I love aloo in keema, by the way. One, two, three, 4, 5, down. Now the stew, chicken stew. I'm going to try it by itself first and then. I remember we shot in Nizamuddin. I remember we shot in Purani Delhi and Al Jawahar, and the stew over there was exceptional. This is a close second to that, I must confess. And now this, which I know enough people who don't like dal gosh, but there's something about yellow dal that's just terribly exciting. And when you mix dal with meat, बहुत मजा आता है यार. Dal gosh. Look at this. You got nice full tur dal or chane ka dal, I don't know, and mutton. All the food is spicy, but it's not so spicy that I start sweating and my nose will start leaking. It's just the right amount of spice, but it's not bland. It's got this kick of spice, which I just love. Well cooked pink mutton, small pieces because it's a cheap restaurant, so the prices are not too much. The moment I've been waiting for, because if there's anything I'm obsessed with in this world, it's boiled eggs. And I have this lovely looking boiled egg here. I'm going to break it. I just love it. And these koftas with anda in it. I have to take a little bit of anda. And a little, oh, look at how soft this is. You see, this is going to be a big bite. I love it. Boiled egg. Oof. I could kill for a boiled egg. Boiled eggs really turn me on. And if you take boiled eggs and you take a really nice kofta and put it in a good, delicious gravy, there's nothing more than that. Not only is the boiled egg good, this kofta, there is sort of goti kebab, if I may call it that. Just look how soft it is. Boiled egg and mutton. I am a happy man. And now what is left to eat is this yakni pulao. Little bit of chawal, little bit of meat. Looks mild. I haven't tasted it yet. Nice. But I prefer all this more than the yakni pulao. खत्म हो गया? खत्म हो गया खाना. थोड़ा बाकी है ये तो खा लेता हूँ ना. I'm on this discovery of small joints like this. Small joints that have a little bit of history to it, a lot of culture, local flavor, and loyal followers and customers. This is going out to all the younger lot, the Gen Zs, okay? Matcha is not food. Yeah, and avocado on toast is not the beginning and the end of cuisine. Discover your city, discover the cuisines, discover communities, and that's where real Indian food lies. This is one of them. If you have any other place that you think I should go to, please write to us. Share कीजिए, subscribe कीजिए और आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए खाने में क्या है. हाँ?
Because I never saw you having 4 bites of the same dish.
Ever, yeah. I love boiled eggs. It's a thing about me. I don't know what it is about boiled eggs that I love. I think kofta is very nice. Kofta? No, ये goes. तेरे को लगा पनीर का है,
Veg kofta. It's a veg kofta.
खा रहा हूँ देखो.